Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Oh my goodness me, I have quite an interesting video for you, and as you would see by the title, it is called Journals, Planners and Smashbooks. Oh my. It's a bit like the song Lions and Tigers and Bears. Oh my. So my title is Journals, Planners and Smashbooks. Oh my. This will all become clear very, very soon. So, okay, I did a video last week or sometime this week, I think it was, on my cupboard of journals, planners, smashbooks, etc. Now, I am quite addicted to journals, planners, smashbooks, oh my, very much so. But I think what I find a bit daunting, as I think a lot of people do, is how to, document things, how to put it all down, or find a way to be inspired, or what to write about, etc. How to do the planners, how to use your junk journals, how to use your travelers notebooks. And I've used the Happy Planner before and loved it, but I didn't keep up with it. When I go on holiday, I take a junk journal with me so I can document everything. I thought I would do some new series, some new videos, video series that are coming up on planners, journals and smashbooks. We're going to have 3 different categories. One is going to be journals, so that will cover junk journals, travelers notebooks. Then planners will be planners, and then smashbooks and glue books also going to be another category. The one I'm stuck on are the Project Life ones. So let me just give you a little bit of a look at the different books and things that you can document your life and you can plan, etc. And then I will go a bit more into detail on what we're going to do. So I know people have had some questions on especially the Smashbooks. Yes, I put down that it was something that I have at hand to smash Charming over the head with when he misbehaves. That's not the case. Right, okay, so let's cover planners because they are pretty self-explanatory, but I will be doing a mini series on decorating planners and just page layouts, etc., just to give you some ideas. So I have the Happy Planner, which I absolutely love. I love the fact that you can I have a punch, so you can make new pages for it. You can take a piece of paper that could be anything, punch it and then put it in. So we have the Happy Planner, which comes in a very large one, this size, which is the regular size, and then a mini one. So that's the Happy Planner. I also have a couple of planners from Hobbycraft, which they are very gorgeous, I must admit, and these were on sale. And this one isn't dated, and it is just very colourful and lovely. This one is actually quite colourful, so I do have another version which hasn't got so many colours on, which is probably the one I might use because I can decorate it a bit more. This one actually is pretty colourful, but it's not to say you can't decorate it anyway. But the other one that I have has plainer pages. In fact, it might be better if I grab that one, because that's the one I'm going to be using in my, where did I put it? Oh my, right, okay. And that's a bit of a baffle because it was in my cupboard. Oh, it's here. Right, they're pretty much the same journal. They've just one is more colourful, so I'm probably going to be using the one that is a bit plainer because let me just put that to one side. I will be decorating pages and showing you. So this is the journal. Let me zoom in a little bit, and it's just very pretty. It really is. It has stickers in the front. Now these are from Hobbycraft, and I think it's Hobbycraft's version, but as you can see, these have got plainer pages, so it does leave you to be able to you know, decorate them up a little bit better, and make it more colourful. So and that's the second planner, and this one is a Heidi swap planner, and this is a ring bound one, so you can, you know, add more pages in it. So this is a different one. So actually for my for the planner series that I'm doing, I'm probably going to use the Hobbycraft one, because I think that one would be perfect example. But I was just showing you today the different types of planners that you can actually get. So this is a Heidi swap one, this is the Happy Planner one, and then we have the one from Hobbycraft. So that is one way to, most people use planners to plan their life, but the Happy Planner I have used to also document things that are going on, etc. But for my series, I'm going to use the planner to plan and show you how to decorate the pages up. So that's the first category. The second category is going to be Smashbooks and glue books. Now, what is a Smashbook? Now, Smashbook are made by K & Company, and I just absolutely love them. I'm addicted to them. Each colour has a theme, and inside there are lovely pages that have different images and little quotes and things, and sort of prompts for you to write about things. Like this one says, guilty pleasures, you betcha, we're out of here, top 10. So it kind of gives you some prompts of things to write about, and you basically glue things in it and decorate it, and you can put tickets and, you know, save things, put photos in them. So they're very much the same as what you would use a glue book. So I will also be making a glue book from an old book, just to show you a glue book, but I haven't got one at hand at the moment. But glue books and Smashbooks are going to be in the same category. What I will probably do, I'm not sure if I'm going to use a Smashbook or I'm going to use just a glue book to show you on my video series. So I'm not quite sure yet. We'll decide, but pretty much they're pretty much the same thing, where, you know, you would just glue things in, cuttings out of papers, magazines, interesting pictures, etc. You know, you can have a lot of fun with a glue book or a Smashbook as far as being quite creative and doodling. The Smashbooks themselves kind of help you because they're not just plain pages, whereas when you take a glue book, you know, you've got more to fill in, whereas the Smashbooks kind of have some things already on there. So that is the next category, is Smashbooks and glue books. So that's the second sort of thing that we're going to be doing. And the third category are journals and travelers notebooks, etc. So there are you know, obviously junk journals which we make, and I will show you how we decorate these, you know, ideas for them, what to write in them, how to be inspired. I will be giving you some inspiration on things to write about, things to, you know, help you journal. Because sometimes you have a page and you think, oh, what do I write down now? Ways to decorate it, ways to get those creative juices flowing. So we have the junk journal, which is made from all our old junk, and there's a couple here. This is my cat one, which I need to finish, and then we have travelers notebooks. Now these are a couple of different styles, but they're pretty much the same, where they have the little booklets inside. So I will be doing some videos on how to decorate these to make these a little bit more interesting inside, what to write about. You know, you could do bullet journaling, which I've had a little attempt at, and this is pretty much the same as well. It's just got the 2 little booklets inside, but they're very plain. So I'll show you some ways to make these quite colourful, and you can also buy these like that and decorate them up to give it away as gifts. So we have the 3 categories. Now I also have Project Life in here too, so excuse me, there might actually be 4 categories if I can get round to it. Now Project Life, you know, you get these little albums and they've got little pockets, and then obviously you have your Project Life cards. So maybe if I get time I might give you some inspiration on the Project Life, but I'm definitely going to do the 3 categories, journals, planners and Smashbooks. Oh my. So lots and lots of ideas for you, lots of ways for you to decorate, to ideas for you to write in there what to write about, and just some fun. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. I'm going to do 1 series on planners, 1 series on journals, and 1 series on Smashbooks and glue books, amongst other things. So this is just an introduction to those new series that are coming up. I hope that you will watch along with me and take part, and I'd love to see some of your creations and ideas, and maybe we can work together for some ideas to put into our journals, Smashbooks, planners. Oh my. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please keep watching. The planner series will start on the 1st of November. I'm going to do 30 days of planning, and the sorry, I've got that wrong. On the 1st of November I'm going to start the 30 days of journaling, so that will be using well, you know, probably a junk journal, just to give you some ideas. And the planners, I will be doing that probably weekly, because you know, I like to do my week ahead, so I'll probably be doing, you know, different episodes, but it won't be daily. But I am trying to do from the 1st of November a journal series, 30 days of journaling. And as far as the Smashbooks and glue books, I will be doing a couple a week. So please keep watching. This is really exciting. This is a new sort of area for me to sort of go into. I make journals all the time, but I don't do what I'm supposed to do with them, and it's such a shame, because I have made some lovely journals and I want to document things and write in them, and you know, do some interesting things. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'm excited to start this in the next week or so, and please let me know what you think to it. So take care for now, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye bye.